Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And today's video we're gonna do another unboxing. Our package is here, just arrived yesterday or last night. So we're gonna do an unboxing and try to use the product. Hope everybody is doing well. This product is from Newacalox, and I am so happy to have this one because this one will be very useful for my jewelry making. And let's do and proceed. With this information, and oh my god, this is so nice. And there is a wood, and this is really nice box, really nice packaging. Look, the wood has a name here. It says Newacalox, and there is a hole here that you can put your all kinds of pliers. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna put all these kinds of stuff in here. So the product is 8-piece set of jewelry pliers with wood palette, and it is a complete jewelry tools. It's a high quality with wood holder. So it comes with that needle nose, a bend nose, that is a bend nose, and cutter pliers. I use this one to cut any kinds of wires, and this is a flat nose. And we also have a linesman pliers or side cutter, and also have a chain nose, and we also have a round nosed, and the last one is a end nipper, which is very useful to cut all kinds of wire, especially in making my jewelry like that. So very useful to make the jewelry. So now I'm gonna try to use some of the tools to make my aromatherapy earrings. So keep on watching how I use the tools, so you have an idea how to use it.
I wanna tell you that I feel alright. Yeah, I feel fine. Yeah, something inside me is saying that I'm on the move, baby. Hey, I'm moving on up to a higher destination. I'm moving on up. I'm feeling that I'm on the move. I'm on the move. I'm on the move. Hey, I'm moving on up. I'm on the move. To a higher destination. I'm moving on up.
So that's our product for today, guys, and thank you so much for the Newacalox jewelry making pliers kit. And it's really nice, a good, high quality pliers for jewelry making. You can use it anywhere. I know I use a lot of this one for my jewelry because I have here a very old one, and this one is, you know, is easy to cut, very nice for making a jewelry. So I love it, and thank you so much. These pliers, this round nose or bend nose, this is I really need this one to bend the wire for my jewelry. So yeah, that's our vlog for today. And if you have any question, you can comment down below on my video, and you can shop in Amazon. I'm gonna put the link in my description box, and for more collaboration, just visit my description box. Also, there is a email address there. So yeah, that's all our vlog for today, and thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, likes, and turn the bell button so you will be notified when I'm gonna upload another new video. And stay safe, everyone, and have a good one. Bye.